injury requires 110 stitches.
This act is so dangerous, I can't even watch.
And I thought of you. Oh. Take it slow, be careful. A giant corkscrew for that really big bottle of wine. No cork this time. How about a walk? A walk down memory lane. Our wedding day.
That is so special. Let's put that one right next to my heart.
Oh, our first Christmas.
Let's put that one in my six-pack abs.
Okay. And now, our AGT audition.
This one is permanently stuck in my brain.
Thank you, America!
Brad and Tracy! Howie standing out from you!
I'm just saying that the energy and the showmanship and it's just, you can't even put into words what we just saw. It's amazing. And the love that I sense. This is so, it is so bad, it is amazing. I love your delivery, young lady. I love the way you deliver your lines.
Thank you so much, Howie. They just come to me.
Sofía.
I mean, to be honest, I cannot stop thinking about what your neighbors think about you two. It's like you guys are scary. Tracy, you should be like in a scary movie. It's like, you're perfect. You're acting, you're delivering. It's amazing. I mean, I don't know if this is good, if it's bad. I mean, we can't stop looking at you guys, so I guess it's a good thing.
So, Sofía.
Good luck tonight.
Sofía, our neighbors are watching from Pullman, Washington, and they're excited to say, that's our friend!
Yes.
Mel B, did you see any of it?
I saw bits and pieces of it. Now, I do know that this is a genre, right? Where people do things
Yes.
to themselves like that. And I find it more comedic. And I do like the vibe. Why? Why?
Maybe you should have wore the blindfold.
What?
Yeah, maybe you should have worn the blindfold?
No, I don't. I mean, I don't mind watching. I just don't get it. But I think that you both really do enjoy it.
Listen, Brad and Tracy, I see you're up here, man. You got staples in your skin. How are you feeling right now?
Holier than thou.
Well, good luck tonight.